Welcome to the Machine Learning with Python from Scratch course. Your instructor in this course is Carlos Quiros, who is an industrial engineer and data scientist with more than 20 years of experience in process analysis and developing data science business information systems. The course is published by the Learn Programming Academy, founded and created by Tim Buchalka, a teacher and software developer with over 35 years of experience. Tim's goal, through his own students and the Academy, is to make available the highest quality training to anyone wanting to learn real-world skills in software development. By the end of this course, you will understand and be able to apply the concepts of machine learning algorithms into your own Python programs and be familiar with many of the libraries used to achieve this. A diverse range of topics and libraries are covered, including data analysis with Numpy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. This is a practical hands-on course. Students are encouraged to learn the concepts as well as developing new practical models of their own. Rather than focusing on complex math explanations, the course uses charts and infographics along with many code examples and useful code snippets to give simple and valuable explanations. Please check the syllabus for a complete list of topics. The ideal student would be someone with a basic knowledge of linear algebra and Python programming. If you're ready to start understanding machine learning with Python, then click the Enroll button to get started or try the free video previews on this page. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.